Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways of doing affiliate marketing. And if you are a beginner, this is the place where you need to start. And yes, this method is available worldwide and there is a free way and paid way to promote. And you can use either one of those or you can use both. That's right, I'm talking about following trends. I made so much money on trends. I made money on Donald Trump, on Joe Biden, on Gorilla Glue, on Harembe and so many other trends. It is easy money because everybody's talking about that. Everybody is doing marketing for you. Social media, newspaper, TV, everybody's doing marketing for you. And all you have to do is just present your product. And if it's a good product, you will make lots of sales and lots of money. But even if it's a lousy product, you will still make sales because everybody's talking about it, because everybody is doing marketing for you. And trends usually last just a few days, but today I'm going to show you a trend that lasts few years. That's right, I'm talking about cryptocurrencies. And no, we will not buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I'm talking about affiliate marketing.
When we go on Google Trends and when we search cryptocurrency, well, actually, let's just search crypto, for example. Just delete this and search crypto and choose here worldwide. And as you can see, trend is growing again, but it is pretty much stable trend. And when we actually choose here in past 30 days, we will see that there is a jump in interest, there is a jump in this trend for crypto in past 30 days. And when we scroll here, we will see in which countries crypto is currently most popular. And if you are planning to run ad campaigns, you should target these countries here. But let me just go back on top here and, for example, let's just add here buy crypto and click search. And again, worldwide in past 30 days, it is again jump. And let's just choose here 12 months, in past 12 months. Here you can see it is growing. Buy crypto trend is actually growing in past few days, in past about 15 or 20 days. And again, when we scroll here, we will see in which countries buy crypto is most popular trend. And again, if you are planning to run some ad campaigns, you should target these countries here. But cryptocurrency is not ordinary money. You need place where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You need place where you can keep those cryptocurrencies because cryptocurrency is not ordinary money. You cannot keep it in your wallet. So you need a crypto wallet. So what you can do is you can simply go on Google and here you can type something like best websites to buy and sell cryptocurrency and then click search. And here you can see these guys here, actually money.usnews.com, actually made a list of best websites where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And these websites here also have crypto wallets. And this list was updated on September 27, 2021. That is just about 20 days ago. So this is a fresh list. And here you can see 5 best websites are Coinbase, Binance, Robinhood, Gemini and Kraken. And when we actually go on, for example, Coinbase, and when we scroll down on the bottom, here we can see affiliate program. Coinbase have an affiliate program. So if you refer someone to Coinbase to register here to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and to use Coinbase as a crypto wallet, you will actually earn money as an affiliate. And you can earn US dollars and you can get that money to your PayPal account or bank account. And when we go, for example, on Binance as well, and when we scroll down on the bottom, we will see here that they also have affiliate program. So if you refer someone to Binance to register to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and to use Binance as an crypto wallet, you will earn a commission. And here you can see percentage of how much money you can actually make from every person that you refer to Binance. And actually all of these 5 websites here have affiliate programs. And there is thousands and thousands of new people trying to buy and sell cryptocurrencies every day, and they need these websites here. So what you need to do, you need to join 2 affiliate programs of these websites here or some other websites where people can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And actually for some of these websites, in order to register as an affiliate, you will need to have your own website. And very often that website doesn't even need to have any traffic. You just need to have a website even without traffic. And that is actually okay because we do need a website, we do need a landing page. And it's actually not that expensive. You can simply go on, for example, Namecheap, and here let's just search something like I love crypto, for example, and click search. And Namecheap will give you a list of available domain names that contain I love crypto. And here you can see that actually some of these domains are not that expensive, they are really cheap. Here you can see this one is just $4.88, not even $5. This one here, I love crypto.love, is only $2.98. It's not even $3. You can earn $3 on Pico workers in less than an hour. So it's actually not that expensive. And after you buy your domain here and after you register your domain on Namecheap, you can go on Blogger and you can host your blog on Blogger 100% free, and you can add your custom domain on your Blogger blog. And now here on Blogger you need to publish a review of all 5 of these websites here, and you can actually rewrite an article of these guys here. They actually have a really good article where they reviewed all 5 of these websites here. And you need to publish that review here. So first thing you need to do, you need to add title, and you can say something like this: 5 best websites to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Always add a number in the title. That makes your title more interesting and more eye-catchy. And here you need to add a review of these websites. Now obviously you need to open your article with an interesting and eye-catchy photo, and then you need to write an intro, and then you need to write a review of each of these websites. Now I already prepared something quickly, so I will just copy this, Ctrl C, and I will paste it here. And this is my brief review of Coinbase, as you can see here. And of course you will write a more detailed review of Coinbase. And after you review Coinbase, on the bottom you need to add a button. Now you don't have to add a button, but it is better to add a button. It is more eye-catchy. So simply click here on photo and then click here on upload from your computer, and then click here on choose the file, and then you can actually add a button here. You can find these buttons on Google Images, or you can simply make button like this in Canva or Photoshop. I personally found this on Google Images. And then click here select, and now just click here on this little chain, and I will just delete this. Okay, I will delete this, and here you need to paste your affiliate link that you got from Coinbase, that you got from here. Just copy that affiliate link from Coinbase and paste it here, and then click apply, and that's it. When someone click here to register on this blue button, it will take them to Coinbase homepage, and if they register and start trading, buying and selling cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, you will earn a commission. And then you just need to do that for Binance in this case. Just copy here, just okay, and paste here, and again just add same blue button, click here to register on the bottom of that review, and so on and so on. And after you finish, just click here on publish, and that's it. And actually this is not that hard. You can write these reviews in less than an hour, and you can publish that here on your Blogger blog. And after you publish this article, you need to start promoting this article. And there are actually 2 ways to promote this article. There is a free way and paid way. And for paid way, you can use Microsoft ads, you can use Google ads, you can use Facebook ads, you can use native ads. Now, from my experience, native ads are best for this kind of stuff. They are least efficient, but they are cheapest option in this case. And like I said, for promotion of articles on your blogs, native ads works best from my experience. Now, if you wish to promote your article, your blog article that contains your affiliate links for free, then for that you can use Pinterest, you can use related Facebook groups, you can use Instagram, you can use Reddit, you can use related forums, and my favorite, you can use Quora. And Quora is actually best option because you will be getting most targeted traffic from Quora. So here in search bar, simply type something like buy cryptocurrency and click search, and Quora will give you related questions that contains this thing here, buy cryptocurrency. Look at this. What is the best platform to buy cryptocurrency? That is exactly what we are looking for. How can I buy cryptocurrency? Where can I buy cryptocurrency in India? So these guys here are buyers. People who are visiting these questions here are buyers. They have money ready and they wish to buy cryptocurrencies, and they need Coinbase, Binance, Kraken and other similar websites in order to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And let me just open this question here. Let me just open it in new tab to check it out. And when we actually scroll through these answers here, it's actually not that hard to rank your answer as a top answer on this question. All you have to do is just provide a good and informative answer. Now, what you need to do, you simply need to publish a review, a short review of these websites here. So basically short version of this text here, publish it here on the Quora. And then on the bottom, let me just click here. On the bottom here, you need to say, click here to read a full review. That is really important. Look at this. 5,000 people saw this answer. Imagine potential. I'm guessing at least 500 would click on that link. And from those 500, at least 10 or 20 would actually register and start buying and selling cryptocurrencies through your affiliate link. And let me just close this and then click here, and I will click on Ads Manager. And I'm going to click here on New Campaign. And I actually need to add something here. This is actually not that important, so I will just type here test, and I will choose here generic, and this is also not that important, so I'll just say, let's say 20, click here on continue, and I will scroll here, I will click on question, and I will click here on bulk ad, and here I can say buy cryptocurrency, and then click here continue. And look at this. What is the best cryptocurrency trading platform? That is exactly what we are advertising in our article here that we published on Blogger blog. And look at this. 300 to 450 people visit this question here every week. So I'm guessing, let's say 400 people. So that is 1600 people visit this question every month. So if you rank your answer as a top answer on this question here, you can potentially get lots of traffic and lots of click to your link, to your Blogger blog where you advertise these websites where the people can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and they will register through your affiliate link, and you will earn a percentage, you will earn a good money. Trust me, you can make a really good money by promoting buy and sell cryptocurrency websites. And again, you will write a more detailed review of these websites here, and then you will go back on Quora and you will answer on this question, and you will rank your answer as a top answer. In one of my previous videos, I actually showed you how to rank your answer as a top answer on Quora, and you will start getting tons and tons of free traffic to your article on Blogger blog, and trust me, you will start seeing registrations through your affiliate links and you will start making money.
So this is one of the easiest ways of doing affiliate marketing as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.